morning students. Welcome to 5th session of our maths class. Okay. Now, yesterday we had discussed even and odd numbers. Okay. And I have given homework also, descending order and circle all the odd numbers. Okay. I hope you all have done. Now we know that 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers, and 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. 10 means here 0. Okay, 0 at one place. These numbers are even numbers. Okay, so what we find here is 1 is an odd number, okay, 2 is an even number, again 3 is an odd number, 4 is an even number, okay, 5 again is an odd number, 6 is even, 7 is odd, again 8 is even, and 9 is odd, last 10 is also even. Okay, can you see the sequence? Okay, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even and so on. It continues. Okay, this sequence continues. What I mean to say is our number system is in this sequence. Okay, if a given number is odd, just next number is even. Okay, for example, if the given number is 12, okay, then just what comes just after 12? It is 13. Okay, if 12 is even, then 13 is odd. Okay, then what comes after 13? It is 14. Okay, and so here 14 again is even. So our number system is in this sequence of odd, even. Okay. Okay, so now if you have been asked to write even numbers between 50 and 60, okay, you have to write even numbers between 50 and 60. How will you write? First write 50, okay. Now you know 50 is an even number, 0 is at ones place, okay. Now the next number will be, the next even number will be 52. Okay, here what we are doing? We are skipping 51. Okay, we are not writing 51. We are skipping this number. Okay, skip this number 51. Why? Because 51 is an odd number. Now, next even number will be, okay, what comes after 52? It is 53. Okay, it is 53. We will not write 53 because 53 is an odd number and we have to write only even numbers. Okay, so here next number will be 54. Okay, so now after 54 it is 55 and 55 is an odd number. Okay, so the next number, next even number will be 56. Okay, then after 56 skip 57 and write 58. And last number is 60. Okay, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58 and 60. Now see these numbers. See these numbers. The number which ends, okay, at ones place. See here, ones place. Check all ones place in these numbers. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Okay, what are these numbers? Yesterday you have learned these numbers are even. Okay, the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers, and number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. Okay, these are odd numbers. Yeah. Okay, now let us do an exercise given on page number 12. Okay, so open page number 12 of your book. Okay, so see this page number 12. I'm doing this first question on board. Write all the even numbers between 42 and 80. Okay, now see here, first two numbers are written from 42 to 80. You have to write all even numbers between 42 and 80. Okay, 44 is written, 42, then we have skipped 43 here, then 44. Okay, now skip 45, write 46. Skip 47, write 48, then 50. Okay, see what is at ones place? 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Okay, now next number will be after 50. You have to skip 51 and write 52. We are writing even numbers. Okay, then 52, 54, skip 55, then 56, leave 57, then 58, and then 60. Okay, then 62, 64, 66, 68, and 70. Okay, then last line. After 70, skip 71, then we'll write 72, 74, 76, 78, and last is 80. Okay, so in this way you have to skip one number and write only even numbers. Okay, in every line, in every row, just see what is the number. The number ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, and these numbers are even. Got it, all of you? Now here, see this next question. Write all the odd numbers between 13 and 51. This question you have to try by your own. Here you have to write odd numbers. Okay. Okay students, so now we shall learn another new topic of mathematics. Okay, and that is ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. Now what are ordinal numbers? Okay, a number that tells the position of something placed in order or sequence, like first, second, and so on. See here, we read this ordinal number differently. Okay, they are just like 1, 2, 3, 4, but we read it differently. Okay, now see, 1 is written as, is read as first, 2 second, 3 third, 4 is read as fourth, 5 fifth, 6 sixth, 7 seventh, 8 eighth, 9 ninth, and 10 10th. Okay, we read it differently. Okay, now these numbers, these ordinal numbers are used to tell the position of a thing or an object which is kept in order or sequence. Okay, okay, so now here you can see Miss has drawn the picture of balls again. Okay, but here I am going to explain ordinal numbers. Okay, now see here, can you see the colors? Different colored balls are here. Okay, first ball is of blue color, then second is of red color, third ball is of green, and this last one is of black. Okay, now see, these balls, we can say they are in proper order. Okay, they are drawn in one line, in one row, properly ordered, or they are drawn in a sequence. Okay, now if you see from left side, okay, if you start from this side, can you tell me which ball is at third place? What is the position? Which ball is at third place? First, second, third. It is green. Okay, now if I ask, what is the position of black ball? What is the position of black ball? Okay, we'll go like this. First, second, third, and fourth. Okay, position of black ball is fourth. Now, which colored ball is placed at first position? So, it is blue. Okay, so here first. Place of blue colored ball is first. Place of red colored ball is second. Green colored ball is at third position. And last one is at fourth position. Okay. So ordinal numbers tells us the position of thing kept in order or in sequence. Okay. Okay. So children, come to page number 13. Okay. Page number 13. Ordinal numbers. Okay. See in your book, all of you. Page number 13. Ordinal numbers. Okay. First of all, the meaning is written a number that tells the position of something in a list, like first, second, third, and so on. Okay. Now see here. The picture given, see in your book, all of you, the picture given on this page. See the picture given on this page. Okay, this one. Okay, can you see here? Some children are standing here in a queue. Okay, in a queue means they are standing in a line to board the bus. Okay, now see here, bus has came and they started entering the bus. Okay, now the student, okay, the child who is standing near the bus, okay, he is standing at the first position. Okay, this child is at the first position. Okay, and next to this first child who is in red shirt, okay, he is standing at second position, and then third, fourth, and so on. Okay, and the last student is standing at 10th position. The last student is standing at 10th position. Okay, so what are these numbers? First, second, they tell us. First, second, third, these ordinal numbers tell us the position of something in a sequence or order. Okay, now see this activity. You can do this activity with the help of your parents. It is very interesting. You will enjoy doing this activity. It is of ordinal numbers. Okay, here you have to color the circles according to the place or position given here. Okay, and second is you have to arrange the letters according to the position given here. Okay, and you have to complete this work. Okay, try this afterwards. Now see this next page. Okay, 14, page number 14. Here I am on page number 14. Okay, open this page, and our next question is fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Okay, so I have written this fill in the blanks which is given on page number 14. Okay, this fill in the blanks in basis of the position. Okay, on basis of position you have to fill up the blanks. Okay, so some of these statements are about week and months. Okay, you already have learned the days of the week and months of the year in class 1. Okay, so first day of the week begins from Monday. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. Okay, last day is Sunday. Now you know the name of months also: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, so now let's start. First sentence is Monday is the dash day of the week. Okay, Monday is the dash day of the week. It is last, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. What is the position? Okay, Monday is the first day of the week. So here we'll write first day of the week. Okay. Now, fifth month of the year is. What is the fifth month? fifth month of the year is, let us see, January, February, March, April, May. Okay, what is the fifth month? It is May. Okay, then third one is, in the word mathematics, H is the dash letter. You have to write the position of the letter H. Okay, so let's see. First is M, second is A, third is T, and fourth one is H. Okay, so in the word mathematics, H is the fourth letter. Okay, it is the fourth letter. Okay, now fourth one, in the word teacher, R is the dash letter. Okay, now here again you have to write the position of R letter in this word. Okay, so first is T, second E, third A, fourth C, fifth H, sixth E, and seventh one is R. Okay, seventh is R. So here we will fill the word seventh. Okay, SEVENTH. Clear? Now fifth again, October is the dash month of the year. Okay, October is the dash month of the year. Okay, now see. Again see, January, February, March, April. Okay, sorry, January, February, March, April, May. Okay, then June, July, August, September, October. Okay, so it is at 10th position. Okay, October is the 10th month of the year. Now sixth one is, fourth day of the week is, fourth day of the week. Okay, now Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and fourth is Thursday. So here we'll write Thursday. Now last one is, January and February are the dash and the dash month of year. Okay, of the year. Now here you have to tell the position of January and February. Okay, so January is the first and the second month. Okay, it is the second month of the year. Okay. Okay, clear all of you? Now parents can either pause the video or can take the screenshot so that children can able to complete the work afterwards. Okay. Now I'll be giving this work today. Okay, parents can check the school's website and can download the work. Write odd or even. Okay, write odd or even. Numbers are given. You have to write whether the given number is odd or even, and then write in ordinal form. Okay, numbers are written 1 to 10, and these numbers children have to write in this ordinal form. Okay, number and number name. Okay, and you can get this work from our school's website. Okay, you can download this work from school's website. That's all for today.